Hi everyone, welcome to my video review of the TEDS Woodworking program. My name is V, and today I'm here to tell you all about this program, how it works, and whether it's worth it. I'll also share some important warnings you need to know before buying it, so stay with me until the end. Now, before I get started, I want to mention that I've included the official website link in the description below. If you decide to check it out, make sure you click that link to ensure you're getting the original program and avoiding any scams. This is super important, so keep that in mind. So, what exactly is TEDS Woodworking? It's an online program that gives you access to over 16,000 woodworking plans and projects. It's perfect for anyone who loves woodworking, whether you're a beginner or someone with more experience. The program offers a wide variety of projects, from building furniture to outdoor structures and even decorative items. Here's why it's so helpful. Each plan comes with detailed step-by-step instructions, so you'll never feel lost. Plus, there are video tutorials included to make things even easier. On top of that, you'll get bonus materials like guides on woodworking techniques and tips for setting up your own woodworking shop. What's even better is that when you purchase TEDS Woodworking, you get lifetime access to all the plans and materials. That means you can always return to it for inspiration or to try something new. It's designed to be super user-friendly and comprehensive, so it works for all skill levels. Let's talk about why people love it so much. First, it's one of the most extensive woodworking resources available with a huge library of plans. Second, the instructions are so clear and easy to follow, even if you're new to woodworking. And finally, the program offers incredible value with its lifetime access. Now, here's the important warning I mentioned earlier. TEDS Woodworking is only sold on its official website. You won't find it on any other websites or stores. To ensure you're getting the original program, and not a fake one, only use the link I've provided in the description below. That's the only place you can buy it. In my opinion, TEDS Woodworking is 100% worth it. Whether you're looking to start a new hobby, improve your woodworking skills, or just create amazing projects, this program has everything you need. It's one of the best resources out there for woodworkers of all levels. If you're interested, click the link in the description to check out the official website and get started. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it and what you think. I'd love to hear about the projects you've made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.